Cooking with TallPaul down here in Apache Junction, Arizona. Let's make cheese crisp. I gotta set this up right. There we go. That might be pretty good. I can't see. Okay, I got my frying pan going over medium high. I got olive oil in there. Olive oil. We got Queen Creek olive oil. A big, what is it? 1.5 liters of olive oil. This is how I make it. I put salt, kosher salt in the bottom. Just a little bit. Get my tortillas here. These are healthy whole wheat tortillas that I'm used to the regular flour ones. So I just put that in, move that around, get the bottom coated, let that go a little bit, then I'll flip it. Oh, that's not working out. I don't like these tortillas. Nah, it was folded. And put that on, maybe turn that down a little bit. So I got the oil, I put it on there, heat this up a little bit, and then I'm gonna flip it over and we'll start making the cheese crisp. We got the Pico de Gallo here that I made earlier. You just give it a little mix, get that juice off the bottom. And we have Mexican cheese. It's the Kroger Mexican style blend cheese. That's really good for cheese crisp. That heat up a little bit. The floured ones, they get real bubbly. I'm not a big fan of these, but just heat this up. So I got the oil on, then I flipped it. Have a little oil down there. The salt is wonderful, even though these things are loaded with salt. There we go, put that over there. Now what I do a little layer of cheese. I do a little good amount of cheese. I don't know what it is. I just cover the bottom pretty good. Let that start to go in. And now I go straight in with the Pico. Cover that. I don't go real crazy, but a nice coating in there. Move it around. Oh, sometimes I use whatchamacallit, paste pecani sauce. That's real good too. But I'm not using that today. We're just doing Pico and cheese. Then I put more cheese on top. Got the cheese on top. We're making cheese crisp. Cooking with TallPaul down here in Apache Junction, Arizona. Don't forget, YouTube, look me up. I got over 400 videos on there. Most of them are cooking, but also outdoor activities. Me riding in the desert. I put the lid on. Don't always do that, but we're gonna do that this time. Let that cheese get melted. Everything heated up. See, she's steaming a little bit. Maybe turn that down just a bit. Now I'm at medium heat. I get it high to crisp up the tortilla. And yeah, cook it with TallPaul down here in Apache Junction, Arizona. Please like and subscribe on YouTube and leave a comment. That helps my algorithms. I'm not making money on YouTube. Well, not yet at least. I need more subscribers. I think I got 400 and something. Let that go a couple more seconds. I did turn the heat down to medium. She's doing pretty good. So we're making cheese crisp. The bottom, the tortilla will be crunchy, and all the gooey stuff on top, cheese and everything, will be doing good. That all carries over. And we're just about done with this one. Yeah, that cheese is melting. Uh-oh. I don't like that. There we go. Just make it like that. Flip it right on there. There we go. There's one cheese crisp. We'll give this one to the wife. Watch it when it gets hot. Okay, we'll make another one. Put some olive oil in. Just a little bit, let that heat up a second or two. Get the next tortilla ready. Put a little bit of salt in. I'm using kosher salt. Just a little bit on the bottom. Now you gotta turn that heat down a little bit. Go like that. Go like that. Yeah, that's a little bit high. Let this side get a little bit brown. Please find me on YouTube. Cooking with TallPaul on YouTube. I need subscribers. I got 400 and some. I need at least 1,000. So if you see this, please like and subscribe. See, there's the bubbles. The bubbles are coming up. The floured white ones come up a lot better. They bubble a lot more because of all the flour in there. These are whole grain or whole wheat tortillas. Keto friendly. There's a little bit of browning on there. That's good. Slap some cheese on. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm not live. Sometimes I go on YouTube live, but I'm not live today. Got the cheese going. Cheese is looking pretty good. We have a Mexican style blend shredded cheese. I don't know. What is it? Monterey Jack, mild cheddar, some other Mexican cheese that I can't pronounce. Okay. Now I'm just going to put some pico on. Get the juice down on the bottom too. Cooking with TallPaul on YouTube. Please like and subscribe. That's a little juice is getting coming out. That's good. That adds steam. And we put a little more cheese on. That's pretty good. I don't go overboard with. You can put as much as you want on, but this is the way I do it. See, that bottom is cheese is already melting. I just put a lid on it for a couple seconds there. Oh. Here's what you can use also. Paste picante sauce. This is real good too. Sometimes I don't have picante sauce. I just put this on with the cheese and that's good. But I'm doing pico, so I'm just going to let that go. Cooking with TallPaul down here, making cheese crisp. Made with Pico de Gallo. Made that earlier this morning. Put it in the fridge. Get it nice and good. That's cool. Boom. And she is just about done. Yep, there we go. There we go. Cheese crisp, tortillas and cheese. Then you can put paste picante sauce on if you don't have Pico de Gallo, but I like making my own. Okay, I'm going to turn this bad boy off. And there it is. It's all cheesed up. Look at that, baby. There we go. There we go. Ooh, gotta get all the good stuff out of here. Oops, don't have it. Mmm.
This is great, honey. Thank you.
Brown cheese. You ever get burnt cheese? Oh, that's good. Huh? All right, there we go. We have a cheese crisp. See, cheese all melted. Pico de Gallo on there, all heated up. And let's go eat. Whoa. TallPaul here, signing off. Please like and subscribe on YouTube. You can find me, TallPaul. Signing off.